Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. P, a cardiologist who's spent decades helping folks just like you, seniors over 60 across the USA, take back control of their health. If you're waking up feeling sluggish, carrying extra weight around your middle that just won't budge, or dealing with those nagging energy dips that come with age, you're not alone. But what if I told you there's a simple morning habit, a single drink you can whip up in your kitchen that kickstarts your body's natural fat burning engine right from the start of your day? This isn't about fancy pills or extreme diets. It's about using everyday organic ingredients as nature's medicine to gently melt away fat, especially that stubborn belly fat that creeps up after 60. Let me explain why this matters so much for you. As we get older, our metabolism slows down thanks to years of processed foods, stress, and maybe even medications. Your liver, that hardworking organ filtering everything you eat and drink, gets bogged down, making it harder to burn fat efficiently. And your pancreas, it's pumping out more insulin to handle blood sugar swings, which tells your body to store fat instead of using it for energy. This drink, made from pure, organic foods like fresh lemons and natural vinegars, acts like a gentle reset button. It supports your liver in detoxing, balances your blood sugar, and gets your body into fat burning mode without harsh side effects. Science shows these natural elements can boost your metabolism by up to 30%, helping you feel lighter, more energized, and even sharper mentally, all crucial for staying independent and active in your golden years. But here's the catch: while this drink is safe for most, if you have acid reflux, stomach ulcers, or are on blood thinners, it could irritate your gut or interact with meds. Always check with your doctor first to avoid any discomfort. Now, I promise you, by the end of this talk, I'll reveal the exact recipe for this game-changing drink, including a surprise twist on one ingredient that supercharges its fat melting power. You won't want to miss it. It could be the key to finally seeing that scale move without starving yourself. If you're ready to feel better every morning, hit that subscribe button right now for more straightforward health tips tailored just for you. Let's dive in, because what I'm about to share could change how you start your day forever. Have you ever wondered why that extra weight seems to stick around no matter what you try? It's not your fault. It's biology at work, especially as we age. Let's talk about what happens in your body first thing in the morning. After a night's sleep, you're naturally in a fasted state. Your insulin levels are low, and your body is primed to burn stored fat for fuel. That's a beautiful thing. Growth hormone is high, helping repair tissues, and your liver is quietly processing toxins from the day before. But here's where many folks go wrong. They reach for a sugary coffee, toast, or cereal, and bam, insulin spikes. That hormone acts like a storage signal, telling your cells to lock away energy as fat instead of burning it. For seniors over 60, this is even more pronounced because our insulin sensitivity drops with age, often due to years of high carb eating or sedentary habits. Studies from places like Harvard show that chronic high insulin leads to more belly fat, which isn't just cosmetic. It raises risks for heart issues, diabetes, and even joint pain from the extra load. This morning drink flips the script. It's designed to keep insulin steady while gently waking up your metabolism. Warm water as the base hydrates you without shocking your system. Cold water can tighten things up. Hot can irritate. Science backs this. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology found that starting your day with warm hydration boosts calorie burn by 30% in the first hour. It gets your gut moving softly, promoting better digestion, which is key if you're dealing with constipation that comes with age or meds. Plus, it supports your kidneys, another organ that slows down over time, helping flush out waste without strain. But why organic ingredients? Because they're nature's pure medicine, free from pesticides that could burden your liver further. Think of them as gentle helpers. They provide vitamins and compounds that act like internal cleaners, reducing inflammation that builds up from processed foods. Inflammation is a silent thief for us seniors. It saps energy and promotes fat storage. This drink cuts through that, using antioxidants to protect your cells. One key study in Nutrition Reviews showed these natural elements improve liver function, making fat breakdown easier. Of course, nothing's perfect. If you have kidney stones or gout, the acidity in some parts could flare things up. Stick to milder versions or skip it. And for those with diabetes, monitor your blood sugar. It usually helps stabilize it, but everyone's different. Stay with me because next I'll break down how this drink targets your liver specifically, and you won't believe how one simple addition changes everything. What if I said your liver holds the key to effortless fat loss? Let's explore that. Your liver is like the command center for fat metabolism. It decides whether to burn fat or store it. By age 60, it's often overloaded from decades of sugars, alcohols, and toxins, leading to fatty liver, which affects 1 in 3 seniors in the USA. This slows everything down. Less bile production means poorer fat digestion and more fatigue. But this drink acts as a natural flush. The acids in it stimulate bile flow, helping break down fats more efficiently. A trial in the American Journal of Gastroenterology found that similar natural acids reduced liver fat by 20% over weeks. Now, let's think about your pancreas. It's exhausted from handling blood sugar spikes, producing too much insulin that packs on pounds. This drink's compounds slow sugar absorption, keeping levels even. Research from Diabetes Care shows a 10-20% drop in fasting blood sugar with daily use, which means less fat storage and more energy for you. Vital for avoiding those mid-morning crashes that leave you reaching for snacks. Hydration ties it all together. Many seniors are chronically dehydrated, which thickens blood and slows metabolism. Warm water rehydrates cells gently, improving circulation and oxygen delivery to burn fat better. Add in electrolytes, and it supports your adrenals, those glands that manage stress and energy, often worn out from life's demands. But a word of caution: if you have heart failure or low sodium issues, watch the salt addition. It could affect fluid balance. Start small and listen to your body. You're probably itching to know the ingredients. Hang on. We're building to that, and the first one might surprise you with its power. Imagine starting your day with something that not only tastes refreshing but tricks your body into burning fat faster. Let's get into the building blocks. First up in this drink, apple cider vinegar, the organic kind with the mother. That cloudy stuff full of good bacteria. Just a tablespoon in warm water jumpstarts your metabolism. Why? Its acetic acid boosts fat oxidation. Your body breaks down stored fat for energy. A study in bioscience, biotechnology, and biochemistry showed folks over 50 lost more belly fat with daily vinegar than without, averaging 2 inches off the waist in 12 weeks. For you seniors, it also eases bloating and improves gut health, reducing that puffy feeling that comes with age. But don't overdo it. If you have sensitive teeth or GRD, the acid could erode enamel or cause heartburn. Dilute it well and rinse your mouth after. Next, fresh lemon juice from an organic lemon. Squeeze half into the mix. It's loaded with vitamin C and citric acid, which rev up liver enzymes to detox and burn fat. Research in the Journal of Medicinal Food found lemon compounds increase thermogenesis, your body's heat production that melts calories. Plus, it balances pH, helping kidneys flush toxins, which is huge for preventing stones or UTIs common in older adults. A downside: if you're on blood pressure meds, lemon's potassium might interact. Check with your doc. But for most, it's a bright boost to immunity and skin glow. Now, here's where it gets interesting. A teaspoon of healthy fat, like MCT oil from coconuts or extra virgin olive oil, both organic. Sounds counterintuitive, right? Fat to burn fat. But science says yes. These medium-chain fats go straight to your liver, turning into ketones for quick energy without spiking insulin. A study in the International Journal of Obesity showed seniors adding MCTs burned 5% more calories daily. It curbs hunger too, so you're not snacking before lunch. Caution if you have gallbladder issues, fats could trigger discomfort. Start with half a teaspoon. You think that's powerful? Wait till you hear about the spice that supercharges it all. Let's keep going. Your mornings are about to transform. Add a pinch of pink Himalayan salt, the natural unprocessed kind. This isn't table salt. It's full of minerals like magnesium and potassium that your body craves after 60. It restores electrolytes lost overnight, supporting heart rhythm and muscle function. Studies in Hypertension Journal link proper sodium balance to better blood pressure control, and for fat loss, it prevents water retention that masks progress. Just a tiny bit prevents that dehydrated fatigue many seniors feel. But if you're on a low-salt diet for heart reasons, skip or have it. Too much could raise pressure. Now, a dash of Ceylon cinnamon, organic, not the cheap cassia type that can harm your liver in excess. This spice is a blood sugar hero. It mimics insulin, helping cells use glucose efficiently without spikes. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found it lowers fasting sugar by 10%, melting fat by keeping your body in burn mode longer. For seniors, it reduces inflammation, easing arthritis aches. Warning: if you're on blood thinners, cinnamon can thin blood more. Consult first. Optional but potent. A bit of fresh grated ginger, organic root. Its gingerols boost circulation and thermogenesis, burning more calories. A study in Metabolism showed ginger increases fat breakdown by 20%. It soothes stomachs too. Great if meds upset yours. Downside: ginger can be spicy. If you have ulcers, it might irritate. Put it all together, warm water base, stir in the vinegar, lemon, fat, salt, cinnamon, and ginger. That's the drink. But the surprise twist, the fat, MCT specifically, turns this into a fat, melting powerhouse by creating ketones fast, even without full keto. Stay tuned. I'll tell you exactly how to make and use it. What if this drink could personalize to your body? Let's make it work for you. No two bodies are the same, especially after 60. Maybe you have arthritis, diabetes, or just low energy. That's why testing this drink is key. Start with the basic version: warm water, vinegar, and lemon. Sip it slowly within 30 minutes of waking on an empty stomach. Notice how you feel: more alert, less hungry. Journal it. Energy levels, any tummy rumbles, weight changes over a week. Science supports personalization. A study in nutrients found tailoring drinks like this to individual tolerances boosts results by 40%. If vinegar bothers your stomach, cut it in half or swap for more lemon. For diabetes, monitor blood sugar. It should drop, but adjust meds with your doctor. Add fats if you need sustained energy for walks or chores. If salt helps hydration without swelling, keep it. Cinnamon for sweet cravings, ginger for warmth in colder states like New York or Chicago. But watch for negatives. If it causes nausea or interacts with thyroid meds, stop. Hydrate extra throughout the day. Aim for half your weight in ounces of water. Over time, this becomes your ritual, supporting organic food choices like veggies and lean proteins later. It's medicine from your kitchen, reducing reliance on pills. You're almost there. The full how-to is next, but first, imagine waking up lighter every day. Ready to put this into action? Here's how. Prepare it fresh each morning. Heat filtered water to warm, not hot. Pour 8-12 ounces in a glass. Add 1 tablespoon organic apple cider vinegar, juice of half a lemon, 1 teaspoon MCT or olive oil, a pinch of pink salt, 134 teaspoon Ceylon cinnamon, and 1 pint to 2 teaspoon grated ginger if desired. Stir well, sip slowly. Wait 30-45 minutes before breakfast or meds. Do this daily for 2 weeks. Combine with simple habits: a 10-minute walk after, deep breaths to oxygenate, and eat whole foods, no processed junk. Science from the New England Journal of Medicine shows routines like this reverse metabolic age by years. DOS. Use organic ingredients for purity. Listen to your body. Adjust if needed. Hydrate all day. Pair with light activity. Don'ts: don't use cold water. It shocks digestion. Avoid if acidic foods flare conditions. Don't add sugar. That spikes insulin. Don't overdo portions. It's a starter, not a meal. If you feel great, share in comments. Feeling lighter? And subscribe for more. Remember, this drink isn't magic. It's your body's ally. Start tomorrow with 1 sip and watch fat melt as you reclaim vitality. Your health is in your hands. Act now and thrive. Thank you. Take care.